Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You already have what matters: curiosity and availability. Start by picking 1-2 places where like-minded people gather, then plan one concrete action. Walk up, smile, and use a short opener, ask a question about the event, or give a sincere compliment. Once done, listen actively, lean into follow-up questions. Make sure to offer your name and a quick relatable fact about yourself to create a foothold. This first move sets the whole process in motion. Once you've broken the ice, shift into rapport building by listening more than talking and asking 2 clear follow-ups. You should mirror tone and paraphrase to show understanding, which builds trust quickly. Then, share one short personal detail that connects to the topic, nothing heavy, just human. Make plans or suggest a low-effort follow-up and ask for contact information in that context. If they agree, confirm time and platform. This gives momentum and reduces flakiness. To move from acquaintance to friend, increase interaction frequency with low-pressure touchpoints. A short message, a shared article, or a coffee invite. Once comfort grows, plan slightly longer shared activities and introduce them to other friends to expand mutual bonds. Make sure to balance availability with boundaries. Consistency beats intensity. Troubleshoot. If contact fades, pause and reflect on timing or message tone, then retry in 2 to 3 weeks with a fresh, simple invite.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.